we have a casting whose mass is how much? 20 kg attached to a face plate of the lathe. So here we have a one face plate of the lathe. So I am going to draw one face plate of the lathe. So this is what our face plate of the lathe. Okay. As usual, our reference axis. This is what our x direction. And this is what our y direction. Okay. A casting of mass 20 kg is attached to a face plate of the lathe. The center of gravity of casting is 120 kg from the axis of rotation. Means here we have a one casting whose radius is how much? Means from the center of rotation. This is what our center of rotation. From the center of rotation, how much is that distance for casting? So here we will say this is what our casting. Okay, see, we are denoting casting by C. Okay. So see the scenario. Here there is one casting on the, we have attached on the face plate of the lathe. The center of the gravity of the casting is what? 120 mm from the axis of rotation. Means center of this one, means radius of casting, means from here to here, this casting distance they have given 120 mm. In order to achieve dynamic balance, okay, see the scenario. In order to achieve balance, two balance masses are attached to the face plate of the lathe. We are going to attach two balance masses. First mass is 12 kg, is fitted 150 degree clockwise. See the scenario. One mass is 12 kg is fitted 150 degree clockwise with respect to casting. And another is what? 90 mm from the axis of rotation. We don't know exactly its value. While the second is located at 100 mm from the axis of rotation. So see the scenario, guys. Just one rough. So if you want to do the balancing of casting, generally if one mass is here, so this is what a MC, mass of casting. We will say MC. First balance mass, we are denoted by M1. With respect to casting, how much is the angle of this balance mass? With respect to casting, how much is that angle? How much is the angle they have given us? This angle is how much? 150 degree. This angle is how much? They have given us 150 degree. Now, if you want to achieve out of balance, if you want to achieve balance, where will we keep another balance mass? This is first balance mass. Second balance mass by default somewhere in this region. Okay, somewhere here. And we don't know exact its position. So second balance mass is here. We don't know exact its position. Okay. And this angle, we will assume this angle of second balance mass is what? Theta. Just we are assuming that angle as a theta. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Now the next scenario is what? How much will be this angle here? This angle will be how much? This here, from here to here. This angle will be here. See, total angle is how much? 150 degree. And from 150 degree, if you subtract this 90 degree, so what will be this angle? 150 minus 90. This angle will be what? 60 degree. Now here, so here how many masses with us? Here how many masses with us? 3 masses. 3. First mass is casting. And another 2 masses is what? First balance mass and second balance mass. So total how many masses with us here? 3. And due to these 3 masses, system is in what? Balance. See the scenario in this question. See the scenario. Okay, see the scenario in this question. In this scenario, what is that? Due to these 3 masses, what will be the scenario? System is in balance. And what is meant by balance? Net resultant force of the system will be what? 0. Okay, good. See the scenario. So, centrifugal force due to casting will be what? We are considering casting as a reference. MC means what? MC stand for casting. Centrifugal force due to casting will be what? Always readily outward for this given position. So this will be what? MCRC. For this one, say they must be look in same line. Guys, see, must be readily outward from the center. Here centrifugal force will be what? m1 r1. Here omega square is there, but for making calculation simple, we are omitting omega square. And same with this one also. Same line, huh? See the scenario. If you are not liking good, I am going to draw it properly. This is what our m2 mass. And centrifugal force. See, same line radially outward. Same line radially outward. This will be what? This force will be what? What about this force? This will be what? m2 r2. Okay, good. Now see the scenario. For making its component, see, first of all, I am going to show x and y direction. This is what our x direction. This is what our y direction. This is x. Sorry, this is y. This is x direction. Okay. So for making its component, first of all, about this one, we are going to form one rectangle here. A rectangle like this. See the rectangle. Okay. See the components there. One component is like this. Another component will be like this. What about this angle? This angle will be this. Whatever this angle, same angle will be here. This angle will be what? 60 degree. So what is this component? X direction. m1 r1 cos. Okay. What about this component? m1 r1 sin 60. Very good. Then same with the m2 r2, we are going to form a rectangle like this. See the rectangle. So what about this one? See, this is what one component. One component is in what? X direction. Another component is in what? Y direction. So this angle will be what? Theta. That is unknown to us. This one is what? m2 r2 cos theta. This is what? m2 r2 sin theta. Okay. Any doubt in this drawing? Drawing is okay. And remember this point, due to these three forces, due to these three masses, our system is in balance. Due to these three masses, our system is in which scenario? Our system is what? Balance. Okay. And what is meaning of balance? Meaning of balance means what? Net resultant force is 0. Okay. Try to see the scenario. Okay. First of all, draw this drawing. Doubt in this discussion till now? Okay, good. Now, what is our next target? We have to form what, guys? What is our next target? We have to form what? What is our next target? We have to form a table. What will be the format of table? In table, first point is how much? Mass. We denote mass by m. Second point is what? Radius. Radius is denoted by r. Mass unit what? Kg. Radius unit is what? Meter. Then m into r. M into r is in what? Kg meter. And next one is what? Angular position. Okay. See the scenario. See the table. Carefully. Understanding of this table is very, very important to us. So how many masses with us here? How many masses with us here now? 3 masses. First mass is what? Casting. MC. Okay. Second one is what? M1. First balance mass. And third one is what? M2. M2 is known to us. Unknown to us. This M2 is unknown to us. What is the mass of casting? They have given us in the question. What is the mass of the casting? They have given us in the question. What is the mass of casting? They have given us here in the question. 20 kg. At how much radius of that casting? 120 mm means 0.12 meter. And then first, in order to achieve balance mass, 2 balance masses are attached to the face plate. First balance mass is how much? 12 kg. At how much radius? 90 mm means 0.09 meter. Check it once again. Okay. And how much? Suppose we consider this as our reference. With respect to reference, 150 degree what? Clockwise. With respect to reference, what? 150 degree clockwise. While the second balance mass, is how much? 100 mm. Means what? 0.1 meter. And we don't know its angle, that is unknown to us. Okay, these are the things given for the table. Okay, now the next scenario is what? We have to calculate 20 into 0.12 MR values. So what will be the values? 20 into 0.12. 2.4. Then 12 into 1.08, and this is what? 0.1 m2. Okay, please complete this table. Okay, good. Okay, any doubt in this discussion, guys? Okay. Now, what is our target in A part? Read the A part carefully. Yeah? We have to find out what? Unbalanced force. See the wording. Huh? In A part, what is our target? We have to find out unbalanced force before the balanced masses are fitted. What is our target in A part? Unbalanced force before the balanced masses are fitted. If the lathe is run at, see the scenario. Unbalanced force. What is our target in A part? We have to find out unbalanced force. Same. Means out of balance force or unbalanced force. Okay. Unbalanced force before the balanced masses are fitted. So before the balanced masses fitted means which are balanced masses here? M1 and M2. Here which are the balanced masses here? M1 and M2. Means here unbalance is created by what? In the previous question, unbalance is created by what? Three masses, M1, M2 and M3, means A, B, C, these three masses. But here unbalance is created by only one mass, that mass is what? Casting. Okay, here unbalance is created by what? Only one mass, that is what? Casting. Okay guys, are you getting my point? See the scenario. So what? And at which speed? They have given us a speed. How much speed they have given? We have to calculate unbalanced force. N is equal to what? 120 revolution per minute. But for calculating unbalanced force, what we need? Omega. So omega is equal to what? 2 pi n by 60. That is what? 2 pi into 120 divided by what? 60. So 2 pi into 120 divided by what? 60. So what will be the omega? Please do the calculation and let me know the omega. .5664 unit radian per second. So we got omega. So now see the scenario. Here unbalanced force is created by what? Here in this question, unbalanced force is created by what? Casting. So whatever, see, due to these three masses, our system is in balanced situation. So here unbalanced force is created by what? Casting. Okay. Here unbalanced force is created by what? Casting. MC, M1, M2. So unbalanced force is created by what? Casting. So whatever the centrifugal force due to casting, that will be what? Our unbalanced force. Here unbalanced force is created only by casting, because after adding these masses, balanced masses M1 and M2, system is in balanced situation. So before fitting, see in the question itself they are saying unbalanced force before the balanced masses are fitted. Okay, see the scenario. So our unbalanced force will be what? Unbalanced force will become what? Centrifugal force due to casting. And what will be centrifugal force due to casting? MC, RC, omega, mass of casting, radius of casting, and what? Omega square. MC, RC we already calculated. What is the value of MC, RC? 2.4. So I will directly take that value of MC, RC. We have directly this value, MC, RC, that is what? 2.4. And what is our omega? Just now we calculated 12.5664. So what will be our unbalanced force? See the scenario. What will be our unbalanced force here then? What will be our unbalanced force here? Please do the calculation. There is one mistake I have done here. What is the mistake I have done here? See, omega square is missing, square. Yes, so please be attentive. There are a lot of time I may do mistakes. So you have to identify my mistakes. How much will be the value? Okay, so we can take it as a 379. And what will be unit? Force. Unit of force is what? Newton. Unit is very, very important. Calculation mistakes can be tolerated, but unit mistakes are not allowed. See the scenario. So unit mistakes are not allowed here. Okay, please add down. So you got it, unbalanced force. In earlier question, unbalanced force is due to 3 masses. Means that will be resultant of 3 centrifugal forces. But here in this scenario, unbalanced force is created only by the casting. So then in that scenario, unbalanced force is due to centrifugal force of casting only. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Okay, good. Please write down this point, A point R's. In B part, what they are asking us in B part in this question? In this question, what they are asking us in B part? Required magnitude of the second balance mass. What they are asking us in the B part? Required magnitude of the second balance mass. Means in B part, they are asking us value of M2. In B part, what they are asking us? Value of M2. Means what is the value of this M2 mass? What is the value of this M2 mass? That is what they are asking us in the question. So, now we know for balancing, what will be the scenario? For balancing, if the system is in balance, so summation of force in x direction must be equal to 0 and summation of force in y direction also equal to 0. See the scenario. For balancing, summation of force in x direction equal to 0 and summation of force in y direction equal to 0. Then and only then system is in balance, means net resultant force is 0, and if net resultant force is 0, its component in x direction equal to 0 and its component in y direction equal to 0, means summation of forces in x direction equal to 0 and summation of forces in y direction equal to 0. So we will start with, so any doubt in this discussion? Why? In earlier question it is not equal to 0. Why it is not equal to 0 in earlier question? Because in earlier question, due to that 3 forces, system is not in balance situation. But here system is in what? Balance situation. See the point here. So what we will do? What we will do? We will start our discussion with summation of forces in x direction equal to 0. So what are the forces here in x direction? See the point. What are the forces here in x direction? What about MCRC? Is it in x direction? It is in what? Y direction. Okay. Then, so it will not come. So here we replace M1 R1 by these 2 components. So this component M1 R1 cos 60, and about this M2 R2, we replace M2 R2 by its 2 component. This component is in x direction minus R2 cos theta, and that will be equal to what? 0. So M1 R1, see the point, M1 R1 cos 60 is equal to what guys? M2 R2 cos theta. M1 R1 is how much? We already got it from table. I am going to use this value. I have written for my reference 1.08 cos 60. M2 R2 is how much? M2 R2 0.1 M2 into cos theta. So M2 cos theta will be equal to what? 1.08 into cos 60 divided by 0.1. Any doubt in this discussion? So we got M2 cos theta. Please do the calculation. This calculation. How much? 5.4. Okay. We will consider this as our equation 1. See the scenario. We got this is what our equation 1. Similarly, what we are going to do? Similarly, we are going to take summation of forces in what? Y direction. This is also equal to what? 0. Summation of forces in y direction also equal to 0. What are the forces here in y direction? First of all, this MCRC directly is in y direction. So what is MCRC? MCRC. And then what about this one? What about this one? Minus M1 R1 sin 60. Then what? Minus theta, and that will be equal to 0. So we can write it like this: MCRC minus M1 R1 sin 60 is equal to what? M2 R2 sin theta. Can I write like this? See the scenario. Can I write like this? Okay. Any doubt in this discussion, guys? Any doubt in this discussion? So what is the value of MCRC? MCRC is what? 2.4. Minus M1 R1 is how much? 1.01 into sin 60. Check it out, guys, once again. M2 R2 0.1 M2 into sin theta. So M2 sin theta will be equal to what? 2.4 minus 1.08 into sin 60 divided by what? 0.1. So please do the calculation and let me know the value of. Please do the calculation. 2.4, 1.08 sin 60 divided by what? 0.1. How much? 14.647. And it is what we will say it is as a equation 2. Please write down up to here. You can write down this side by side if you have a space. If you don't have a space, write down this one up to this point. Then write down this one and then write down this one. Okay, guys, any doubt in this discussion? Try to see the signal. Okay, everything is okay up to here? Okay, good. Now what we are going to do? We are going to divide equation 2. What we are going to do? We are going to divide equation 2 by what? Equation 1. See the scenario. What we are going to do? We are going to divide equation 2 by what? Equation 1. Okay. And how to divide this one? Try to see the scenario. We are going to divide. This is for my reference. I have written equation 1 and 2 here. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. Okay. Means what, guys? M2 sin theta divided by what? M2 sin theta divided by what? M2 cos theta, and that will be equal to what? 14.647 divided by what? 5.4. M2 will get what? M2 will get what? Cancel out, and that will become what? Tan theta, and that will become, guys, try to see the scenario. What that will become? What that will become? 14.647. How much? 2.7124. So theta will be equal to what? Tan inverse of 2.7124. So what will be the value of theta we will get? What will be the value of 7623 degree. So we got theta, and we are going to substitute value of theta in again in equation 1. Substitute. See the scenario. Substitute value of theta in what? In equation 1. What we are going to do? Substitute value of theta in this equation 1. So what equation 1 will become? See the logic. What equation 1 will become? M2. We need M2. Cos of theta is how much? 69.7623 equal to 5.4. And if you do the calculation here, we will get what? Value of mass 2. Please do the calculation here. 5.4 divided by cos of 69. 15.61. What will be its value? Unit? Kg. It is mass only. What is its unit? Kg. So we got value of second balance mass. Mass of the second balance mass. Okay, please write down this point. Up from here, we already written the target. So from here, so we divide equation 2 by 1. We got theta, and we go substitute this value of theta in this equation 1, and we got the mass. Please write down up to mass. So what is our target in C part? What is our target in C part? What we have to find out in C part? Required angular position of second balance mass. What is our target in C part? Angular position of second balance mass. Means, so how to find out? See the scenario. We got already answer. In C part, what is we have to find out? Angular position of second balance mass. Angular position of second balance mass. What will be its angular position? See, what will be its angular position? We already got theta. See the point. We already got theta. So with respect to casting, see this angle is how much? This angle is how much from here to here? 90 plus theta. So angular position of second balance mass with respect to what? With respect to what? With respect to casting. So angular position of second balance mass with respect to what? Casting. With respect to casting is what? 90 plus theta. And 90 plus theta means what? 90 plus theta. Theta value we already calculated. So 90 plus what? 69.7623. So what will be this value? 90 plus 69.7623. So what will this calculation? 0.7623. Here in which clockwise or anti-clockwise? With respect to casting second balance mass. Counterclockwise. Okay. Instead of anti-clockwise we can say anti-clockwise. But we will say counterclockwise. CCW. Okay guys, are you getting my point? So this will be our answer of C part. This is what our answer of C1. Make it in box.